Most probably, when you hear the city name Dachau or think about it, you feel something negative because of the history. But in this video, I want to show you how pretty and sweet the city looks in reality. And I hope that after watching that, you will definitely visit it when you have a chance. Ready to change your mind? Then let's start our small trip. When you visit Old Town by going on the hill, there are lots of colorful houses, local shops, cafes, restaurants. People always enjoy outside, especially in summer. When you come to Dachau Bahnhof, it will take you around 15 to 20 minutes to go there. There is also a possibility to take a bus, but to be honest, I'm not sure if it really saves you some time, and I would recommend you just to walk there. By the way, one of the most famous Greek restaurants is located up there. I know people who come from Munich to visit this place. So I would recommend you to reserve a table just to be sure. There is a church in front of the city hall, and in Christmas there is a small but very sweet Christmas market. Also highly recommend. On the other side of the church, you can visit local market on the weekends or sit in a cafe and enjoy some meal. One of the main things to do is to go to a castle. You can find the panoramic view on Munich, Allianz Arena, BMW, Olympiaturm, O2 building, and even Frauenkirche, and if you are lucky, you can clearly see all the Alps from there. In summer, you should go inside of the castle. The entrance is free, as it is so green. There are different flowers, different types, apple trees, same nice view, and also lots of place just to walk around, relax and enjoy. Inside of the castle, there is a restaurant. People celebrate their New Year, weddings, going to concert. And in addition, you can just go to a cafe and eat delicious cake and drink coffee. There is also a huge place for local festivals that look like a small Oktoberfest you must probably know about. If there is one when you visit, for sure go there. You'll have lots of fun. When you looked around everything in Old Town, on the way back you can have some ice cream in this cafe. I can also advise you to visit Andau restaurant if you like Asian food. You can find shops with high quality local clothes that Germans wear to all festivals. The electrification is developed good as well, for bikes and of course for electric vehicles. Close to S-Bahn station, there are a few other ice cream cafes. In summer, there are always queues. This is the best Döner place. Super tasty, good price and extremely big portion. And last but not least, Greek restaurant is Anna's Taverne. On the other side of S-Bahn station, you can always park your bike. There are thousands of places. As it is a bit outside of Munich, you can see many fields and buy those local vegetables, like here with potatoes. In the city you can find lots of schools for all ages. Montessori school is there too. Just look at these playgrounds children can use when they have free time. Also playing basketball, football and many more. These were just some pieces you can find in Dachau. What do you think about this city? Have you visited that? Looking forward to see your comments and of course your like. I highly recommend to watch this video for a few other minutes until the end to feel the atmosphere in the city.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Oh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery. And I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. And I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good.